Patrick, and today is mug day in my clay studio. Gonna be making a series of cups with handles on them. Hopefully take you through a good deal of the process of making them out of clay. And I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get to work. Technique called throwing off the hump, where I got a big hump of clay that I centered in the beginning, and then I just use the top little bit of that to make whatever I'm making, and just cut it off a little bit more efficient. So my cups are over there, fresh off the wheel, and they're far too wet for me to handle them or work with them right now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make the handles for the mugs. So to do that, I got everything I need right here: a bucket of water and a big old lump of clay. Let's get started. several hours, and the mugs that I made are dry enough now where I can handle them. It's what we call leather hard in the biz here. So now what I'm going to do is flip them over, put them back on the wheel, and cut a little foot into them. Let's get a couple examples of coffee mug feet. See a little recessed foot ring there. And basically what this does is it just kind of takes away some of the weight off of the coffee mug, and it lifts up the heat off of the table that you're using and keeps some of the condensation off and stuff. That's pretty much it. Enough chit chat. I'm gonna get to work. Well, there you have it. Pretty neat, huh? So this is probably about halfway through the process. Next thing is to load them in my kiln and do a series of firings until they finally come out to be something sort of like this, a glazed mug that in this case is full of peppermint tea. Yeah, these might seem a little big, which they are. They'll shrink about 12%, between 9 and 12%. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to follow up with me, check out my website, kingshillclay.com. See you next video.